You had no idea aloe vera does this to your hair. Aloe vera has been known for its tons of benefits and has been around longer than anyone could possibly remember. It is a great antioxidant and also has great antibacterial properties. It can heal burns and protect your skin from ultraviolet radiation. Aloe vera is found across several herbal industries as a food supplement in some of our cosmetics and foods. If you use aloe vera at home, you should try using it on your hair. Here are several benefits you can get from using aloe vera on your hair. But before then, if you are new to our channel, welcome. Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. 1. Aloe vera would remove itch from your hair. If you have ever experienced dandruff, you can swear it is very unpleasant. Aloe vera can help resolve the inflammation and dandruff due to its cooling and cleansing properties. It may not treat dandruff scientifically speaking, but it can help manage it. 2. Cleanse oily hair. When applied to oily hair, aloe vera strips away the extra oil and leaves the hair looking shinier and healthier. It also softens dry hair. 3. Repair hair. Aloe vera contains the vitamins A, C, and E. These vitamins promote the growth of new hair. It also contains vitamins B12, which helps keep your hair on your head. It also has a cooling nature that makes it suitable for repairing hair damage. 4. Promotes hair growth. Aloe vera increases blood circulation to the areas it is applied to. It is why it is most often used in treating wounds. However, when applied to the scalp, it increases blood flow and would help slow hair loss and breakage. Aloe vera has so many complications, but to some people, it could bring trivial problems. That is why it is best to first try it out on a patch of skin to ensure that you are not allergic to it in any way. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to leave a like. Also, click the subscribe and notification buttons to get alerts on new similar content. Also, comment on the comment section.